Science and Discovery, the Microscope that Found Hidden Worlds. One sunny Monday afternoon, in a bustling city school, a fascinating tale began to unfold. In the heart of the science lab, our young protagonist, Maya, eagerly awaited her turn with the mysterious microscope. Rumors whispered that it could reveal hidden worlds unseen. With trembling hands, Maya gently placed a drop of pond water onto the glass slide. She adjusted the focus knob, and, as she looked through the eyepiece, her eyes widened in amazement. A world teeming with tiny creatures danced before her eyes. As the days went by, Maya spent every available moment studying her tiny, unseen subjects. Her classmates gathered around to marvel at the hidden world she had found, and she happily shared her findings with them all. Armed with her newfound passion for discovery, Maya dived headfirst into the world of marine biology. She spent countless hours in the school library, poring over books and research papers, trying to learn everything she could about the creatures she had found. With determination in her eyes, Maya presented her findings to a group of marine biologists at the City Museum. They were amazed by her discoveries and offered to help her continue her research, guiding her on her journey towards becoming a real-life marine biologist. Over time, Maya's small pond became a thriving marine laboratory, filled with aquariums teeming with life. She spent her days and nights studying her subjects, determined to learn everything she could about them and their habitats. As the years passed, Maya's hard work and dedication paid off. She was awarded a prestigious scholarship to study marine biology at a world-renowned university. Her journey had only just begun, but she knew that with her microscope and her unquenchable curiosity, there was no limit to what she could achieve. Today, many years later, Maya is a renowned marine biologist, making groundbreaking discoveries that have changed the way we understand the ocean and its inhabitants. She continues to inspire countless children with her tales of adventure and discovery, encouraging them to follow their dreams and never stop asking questions. As she stands before a crowd of admiring faces, clutching yet another award for her lifetime achievements in marine biology, Maya's eyes light up with the same wonder and excitement that first ignited her passion so many years ago. And as she looks out at the sea of young eager faces, she can't help but think, it all began with a single drop of pond water. As an older woman now, Maya still stands tall and proud in her lab coat, goggles perched atop her head. She spends her days sharing her knowledge and passion with a new generation of young minds, encouraging them to ask questions, to explore, and to never stop learning. As she gazes out at the endless expanse of the ocean, a sense of peace washes over her. She knows that her life's work has made a difference, not just in the world of marine biology, but in the hearts and minds of countless children who have been inspired by her story. And as she turns to greet her students and colleagues, she can't help but smile, knowing that their journey is only just beginning. The tale of the microscope that found hidden worlds is a testament to the power of curiosity and imagination in science. It shows us that even the smallest drop of pond water can reveal an entire universe, if only we dare to look. And as long as there are children with wide-eyed wonder and unquenchable thirst for knowledge, stories like Maya's will continue to inspire and guide them on their own extraordinary journeys.